Welcome to this series on cooking with the Microbiome Expert. We're going to talk about a wide variety of food and cooking topics. Oftentimes in my consultations, people will tell me they start going in radical diets. And we're going to talk about this is a series about the low FODMAPs diet, the very little on the vegan diet, the carnivore diet, and the keto diet. So now we're going to make a cold salad. This is great for people who are, for example, have fatty liver disease, where about 50% of their diet should come from something kind of like this. So again, we're back to the extra virgin olive oil, which we're not going to use for cooking this time. We're just simply going to pour this on liberally. We're also going to use Himalayan salt, Himalayan pink salt. So this has about 80 different minerals and other compounds in it as compared to regular table salt, which has usually 2 or sometimes some other questionable ingredients. The other option is sea salt, but sea salt has a ton of microplastics in it, which is why I opt for the Himalayan pink salt. We have some parsley, some celery, again some lemon, and we're going to do some shavings here. I like to do the shavings for the carrots like so, and then after this I'll just go ahead and cut them up into smaller pieces. The same thing with the beet. We of course have the onion, which again, more inulin, more pectin. We have some avocado, which we'll cut up. And then we have some of these things here. Now, I like to usually buy anything that's kind of preserved in a can jar. I like to usually go with something that's been jarred. So here we have, for example, jarred artichoke hearts. So that'll go into our salad. And again, I like to avoid the plastics at all costs. Here we have some jarred pitted olives. And these were actually, I bought these dry. These are lentils. These lentils are great because they cook up quickly. So right now I'm actually boiling some lentils over here, and those will be added to the cold salad as well. And again, we have garbanzo beans, a great source of some prebiotics as well. So all these will go in together, and then in just a short second, I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I just pulled the lentils out of the boiling water, which is really the only hot component to this. Add the lentils in. And we'll do the final stirring. And again, this is for really anybody. It's a great tasty dish. And all there's left to do is just simply enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you tried and liked any of these recipes or some version thereof. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, somewhere around here, you can go to my website where you can schedule a consultation with me. You can also view the protocols, and here you can watch the next video.